Dr. Rose here, the perfume lady. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like the video if this is your vibe. So this has been kind of a long overdue video. I've been trying to record this video, wanted to record this video for a very long time and could never get to it. This video is about how to get the most out of your fragrances, and I will show you some of my most favorite body products that I use on my body all the time. Sometimes when I travel I don't get to use all of them, but for the most part when I'm home, when I'm relaxing, I try to use all of my body products. Well, not all of them at the same time. So in the effort not to make this video super long and not to bore you, I'm going to do it in two parts. This is part one, and maybe in a couple of weeks you will see part two of this video. So stay tuned. Alright, we are back. Are you still with me? So there are several ways of making your fragrance last a little bit longer on you and make them smell a little stronger if you use certain things with them. Most fragrances will typically last 5 to 8 hours on your skin, but there are ways to make them last longer. It's called layering your fragrances with either the body product they came with or other products. So again, this video will have two parts. I'm going to do part one. I probably will show you maybe 5 different fragrances and 5 different sets of fragrances and some body product, and part two I maybe will show you another 5 sets and then some other body products. So the first thing you want to do when you are going to layer your fragrance, you want to make them last, is to take a shower or bath. You know, this is I mean, you know, I don't have to mention that you have to take a shower and a bath before you wear your perfumes, right? Because if you don't shower before you put perfume on, you know, it won't be a pretty thing. The second thing is to moisturize your skin, either with a moisturizer, a light body oil, or maybe some coconut oil. Apply the oil on your skin while your skin is damp. Okay. The third thing is to apply your fragrance after your skin is, you know, after you shower, while your skin is damp also. Avoid rubbing your wrist when you are, you know, when you put your fragrances. Do not rub it. Do not rub it. Just let it, you know, sink into your skin. Okay. Spritz on top of your ears, you know, to make the fragrance last. You know, that's one of your pulse spritz. You know, don't forget your hair though. If the fragrance has the hair product, it's usually a good idea to buy it. If they don't have it, as long as you don't have dry hair, your hair isn't like super dry, you can spray some fragrances in your hairbrush and then brush your hair with it. Don't spray your fragrance on your clothes. They're not made to be worn on your clothes. They are made to be worn on your skin, just like body lotions are made to be worn on your skin. Okay. Choose the right amount of fragrance that you're going to use depending on the occasion. If you're going to work, you might want to wear less fragrance. If you go in clubbing, you might want to spray yourself with maybe 20 sprays. Well, nobody wears 20 sprays of fragrances, but you know, maybe more than 5 sprays if you go in clubbing, right? Because you're going to dancing and then you are going to be amongst a lot of people. It's going to be hot where you're going to be, so your fragrance may disappear quicker. And if you go in clubbing, you might want to wear something stronger, a little bit stronger. Another way of layering your fragrance is to combine layering your fragrances will make them last longer. You know that if you use the body product with the fragrance, it will make them last longer. It's kind of like Viagra, right? The more you use it, the longer it lasts. I wouldn't know, I'm not a guy, but that's what I've heard. The most important tip here is to wear your fragrance with love. Make it your own as long as it works for you. wear it in good health. Do whatever the heck you want to do with your fragrance. It's your body, it's your fragrance. Alright, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite body products. Then I will talk about a few fragrance and body lotion combinations that I have that I usually use them together instead of the fragrance by itself. One body product that I have been using for a very long time and I absolutely love using it, it's Amazing Grace. This is the body wash. I also use the body lotion, okay, and I also use the body scrub. I love it, absolutely love the body scrub. And I also use one of the oils on my skin while my skin is damp. And then to touch it up, I also use this spray oil, usually on my legs and sometimes my arm. Other body product that I absolutely love using is Khiels Crème de Corps. I love using Crème de Corps when it's really cold, because my skin gets really dry. So Crème de Corps keeps my skin moisturized, and I love using it. And the other product is the Lancome Nutrix Royal Body. I love using this one maybe in the spring and also in the summer. It moisturizes your skin very well, but I don't use it in the winter because I don't think it's made for the winter. But this one is made for dry skin, so if you have dry skin, this will be a good product to use. Alright, so now let's get into some of the combinations that I mentioned earlier that I use, that I love using. And those combinations, I will either show you the perfume and the body lotion, or maybe the body oil if I have the body oil for them. Some of them I do not have the body oils for them. I just have the perfume and the body lotion or the body cream with them. So the first combo I use, combo number 1, this is the beautiful Delina Exclusif from Parfum de Marly. This is the body cream. I love using these two products together. Actually, sometimes I use the body cream without using the perfume, because at night I love wearing this body cream. I have gone to so many jars of this body cream since I've been using it. I absolutely love it. And believe me, the hype is justified when it comes to the Delina Exclusif with the body cream. My second combo is Coco Mademoiselle. So I have the Coco Mademoiselle Intense Parfum, Eau de Parfum Intense. And believe it or not, I absolutely love this fragrance. And so what I did, I purchased everything that they made for it, including the soap. I have the soap. I'm not going to show you the soap because, I've been using the soap. But, so this is the Eau de Parfum Intense. This is the body cream. I use the body cream all the time, with the perfume, sometimes without the perfume. I use the body oil spray. I love wearing this body oil spray. I use it while my skin is damp and before I apply my fragrance. And I also use the body lotion for it. I do not use the two together. I either use the body lotion or the body cream. But during the summer, I use the spray, the perfume spray with the body cream and some body oil. I mean, this set here is absolutely stunning. It's such a beautiful, classic blended fragrance. When you mix all of those together, it makes you smell so beautiful. Try, if you have it, try to wear them in the summer. You will absolutely love this fragrance, especially maybe around 10 a.m. when you're going out after you've taken a shower, you wash your hair and you're going out. Just try that combination. You will love it. Combo number 3 is, one of my favorite fragrances, Saks Fifth Avenue for Her from Bond Number 9. I use the perfume, of course, love the perfume. I also use the body cream, and I love using the body cream with the two of them together. If you have both of them, you don't want to use a lot of body cream because the perfume is powerful on its own. So you just want to use the body cream just very moderately, right? And then wear the perfume. But what I do also, I also use a tuberose oil tuberose oil, you know, kind of hard to find because not a lot of companies make tuberose oil, but someone gifted this to me as a Christmas gift, and I love wearing the tuberose oil, so I layered the tuberose oil with some of my other tuberose body products. Combo number 4 is Madison Square Park by Bond Number 9. Okay, look, this was my first Bond fragrance, and it is still one of my favorite Bond fragrances. I love this. I love this combination with the body cream. My gosh, it's absolutely stunning. And when you wear this, no one will feel offended because it's girlish, it's beautiful, it's flowery. I mean, you know, it's just so nice. So what I usually do, I use a light body oil, maybe a coconut oil on my skin. Then I apply the body cream and let it dry. Then I apply the perfume. I do not use a lot of perfumes when I use the body cream and the coconut oil, because the body cream will, you know, make a statement on its own. But since, you know, it's my perfume, so I spray a little bit of the perfume on also. Alright, for my last combo, which is combo number 5, I did promise I was going to keep this video under 15 minutes, and I think I've managed to keep it under 15 minutes. So this is Jo Malone Myrrh and Tonka Cologne Intense, and I also have the shower oil from the same product line, and I have the body cream. Let me tell you something. I don't usually like to buy either the shower oil or the shower gel for the perfumes, because I have regular shower gels that I use. But this shower oil, oh my gosh, it is stunning. It makes your skin feel so moisturized, so damp when you use it. And then you know, you wear your body cream and then you spray a little bit of the perfume. Oh, you feel sexy as heck. I mean, in a deep sentimental sense. Oh, it just makes you feel like you just want to go to sleep and not wake up. No, you do want to wake up, because you need to stay on earth. I keep saying this. You need to wake up. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you sharing the video with your friends and your colleagues. And I look forward to your comments. If you have some special body products that you use, please feel free to drop them below for me. Let me know. I might want to try some of them, because I'm always looking for really good body lotion, body cream, because I love putting those things on my skin, especially when it's really, really cold outside, or when I'm going to bed. I like to indulge into my body products. I look forward, you know, to you sharing some of your favorite body products with me. And if I happen to purchase a few of them, I will come back and make a video about it. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to wear the perfume, buy the perfume, wear the shoes, eat the dessert in moderation, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Forget about the haters. Have a good day. I will see you next time. Thank you.